Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, we will be learning how to enable biometric authentication in CoinTracker. First of all, open the CoinTracker app on your mobile device, and from the main home page, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu you see on the screen, tap on Account. Now under Account, go ahead and toggle on the button right next to Unlock with Face ID or Fingerprint. Click on Allow and let CoinTracker to use your Face ID or your Touch ID. And once you do that, you have successfully enabled biometric authentication in CoinTracker app. Now, whenever you close the application and reopen it again, you will be asked to scan your biometrics. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.